Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a coin called STG or Stargate Finance. So this is a cross chain, or you can say bridge governance token, and it has not been doing that well. As you can see here, ever since its launch it has been going in the downward trajectory, as you can see. And even though we were in the bull run, and we are in the bull run as of now, this coin is still going down. It has seen a small amount of life here and there, but still it has struggled to go up. So let's see what is going on with this coin and whether it is a good buy or not. So first of all, what is Stargate? Stargate is a community driven organization building the first fully composable native acid bridge and the first DApp built on layer 0. It is basically its vision is to make cross-chain liquidity transfer a seamless single transaction process. So how does one use Stargate? So basically DeFi users can swap native assets cross-chain on Stargate within a single transaction. For example, user can swap from USDC on Ethereum for USDT on BNB. So if you do go to their this is actually their website, or you can say their DApp as well. So if you go to the transfer, you can actually use any network here, and you can also get the token on the other network. So this is a cross-chain bridge like Wormhole and others, so it seems pretty good as far as you are using it. So they also have something called Stargate pools, as you can see here. I'm not going in depth on how it works, but I will just go over how it is actually doing. So as you can see here, these are their pools. They do have a pretty massive liquidity, as you can see, around 36 million in Ethereum. We also have 36 again here as well. So if we'll go to their farms, as you can see here, users can actually farm here. So if you want to use this protocol, you can actually farm here and earn APY, as you can see here, and they do have a lot of network supported. So that's pretty good for the coin, and the coin itself is actually available on Base as well as Optimism, Arbitrum, Linea, Phantom. It is also available on Polygon, Avalanche and BNB. So all of the EVM blockchains, it is available there. So that's pretty good. And if you look here, there is a pretty interesting thing. You will notice here that it is in the FTX holdings category. So this doesn't matter because FTX did buy a lot of coins, and they also did get, I think, 100 million Stargate or STG coin. But what the community did was pretty interesting. So they actually passed around 2 years. So as you can see, a proposal where they had to reissue STG coin. This was to actually secure the STG coin from potential security issues within the Alameda research. So it was to ensure the safekeeping of a launch auction Stargate tokens. The Stargate DAO they actually proposes to reissue all the Stargate tokens. So this was done due to eliminate the risk of illegitimate STG transfers from comprised Alameda wallets. So that was pretty interesting, and they did actually protect that. So I think in the end they did get around, I think the Alameda did get some tokens, but I think it actually the STG avoided a big disaster from there. But still, coming to the tokenomics of the coin, that is pretty weird. So if you go to the allocations, the token has a max supply of 1 billion, as you can see here, and 17.5% went to the Stargate core contributors, and it was actually locked for 1 year, and after that there were 2-year linear unlock. So the token launched basically, I think, in March of 2022. So as of now we do have selling happening from that. But still, if we go to the allocation, rest of the allocations, 65% went to the community. So basically anyone doing cross-chain liquid transfers, and they do get some kind of rewards as well, as you can see here. And it can be staked to get rewards again. If you do go here, you can actually stake and get APY of 24%, so which is a massive one as well. So it does have a lock time as well, so that's pretty good as well. As of now, around 38.6 are locked, so that's pretty good for the coin as well. But if you go here, as of now we should have more than 800 million, or I think we should have more. If we go here, we should have around, as of now we should have around, I believe, 800 or 900 million token in the circulation. But if you go here, the current circulating supply is around 200 million, so that means we still have a lot of sell pressure to go. Of course we won't see insane sell pressure, but that could be one of the things that is keeping this coin actually very low. As you can see here, it has struggled to go up. Whenever it goes up, we see a lot of selling and it goes down again. So does this coin has any potential? So if we go to its section, so this is basically doing a cross chain, or it's in the DeFi. And if you look at its TVL, it does have a massive TVL of 413 million. And if you look at its market cap, it is around 77 million. So if we do compare its TVL against its market cap, the market cap is much lower, and the coin itself has not seen that much of a demand. As you can see here, I think it could be due to its utility. It is a governance token, so that could be one of the reasons why it doesn't have that much demand. But still, I think it should actually match at least to its TVL. So if you look here at its peak, it has seen the market cap of around 197 million. So let's just say that we are in the bull run and 197 is the peak that it is going to hit, and there is a possibility for this coin. So that means it can actually go at least of 3x from here. But before we go here, let's just try to see where it can actually see a lot of selling. So the last time it did go, so this actually happened, I think this was because of reissue of Stargate token, and after that it has gone down. But if you look here, it was in Feb. So as you can see here, this is our high, which was around 1.38, and if it does want to go up, we need to hit at least this target. But I don't think that it is possible as of now, but I think it can actually go at least as high as this level. And if it does start to go up, I think we should see a pretty good sell pressure around 85 or 76 cents, considering we are in the bull run and the altcoins are going to go up, because as of now most of the categories have gone up. And if you look at the tokens which are in the top bridge governance tokens, we have seen tokens struggle way too much. If you look at AXL, it has been struggling. If we look at June, it has been struggling. We only have a coin that has gone up, is a CX. So I think once we see a cross chain hype, at least some kind of cross chain hype, the STG will go up. But as of now, it doesn't seem like we have any narrative around cross chain. So if you look at June is basically the best cross chain out there, and they are struggling. So if you look at June, it has been struggling and it has not gained that much. And usually if you look at 2021 bull run, it actually did go as high as $20, as you can see here. And again in March 13, 2024, it did go as high as $10. But in this bull run, it has not gone that much up. So I think the cross chain category will see a pretty good pump, but we need to see the narrative. And I think once the narrative does come, and if the bull run still exists, we will most likely see a pretty good pump for the STG coin as well, because I don't think that the increase in supply is going to have that much of an impact as of now. Of course, once it does go up, we will most likely see a lot of sellers selling the coin, but I think it can actually go up from here. And if you're planning to get into this coin, as of now, I think the best entry for this coin is of course here around 35 cent to 34 cent is a pretty good dollar cost average entry. And if you can wait a bit much, you can actually get into this coin. I think the other entry that I think could be a pretty good is around here. So around 32 to 26 cent is also a pretty good entry. So these are the two entries, and once it does go up, if you plan to take profit early, I think you can actually get out somewhere of around 40. This one seems to be pretty interesting. So if you do want to get early out of this coin, around 48 to 44 cents seems to be a pretty good sell point as well. So this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.